Hi, this is Vizi Prod Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on business feature on Uber. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber is a multinational technology company that connects riders with drivers for demand transportation and also provides services like food delivery and freight transport, all managed through a smartphone app. Passengers use the app to book rides, get upfront pricing, and pay cashlessly, while drivers use the app to accept requests, get direction, and receive payment for their services. On my previous video, I show you how to create Uber account, how to set up your Uber, how to order rides or food on Uber. But now, what if you want to turn on your business feature on Uber? Right. It's very simple. First of all, first you have to open our Uber app. From here, you can go to your account. Now you'll find there is an option, set up your business profile. You can just choose on that. And in here, you can unlock ride and meals perks with Uber for Business. You can enjoy the benefit of Uber Reimagine for Business. Get started to see if your organization over travel or meal benefit through Uber for Business or create a new account. Here's the benefit that you can read in here. Now you can, if you have a PIN code, you can enter the PIN code, but if you don't have, you can just choose on get started. You can enter your business email. After that, choose on next. You can choose your payment method in here. You can use credit or debit card, or you can use gift code. After that, you can enter your card number and also the all these things. After that, you can follow the step by step that Uber gives you. Because I don't have a credit card on my I don't have any credit card, so I will just show you from here. You can follow the step by step that Grab Uber sent to you. It's very simple. So that is how to turn on business feature on Uber. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.